Yo guys, today I'm trying something completely new. I just played Roblox for the first time ever, and honestly, this is crazy. I've seen a lot of people play this game, but I never tried it myself. So today, we're jumping in to see what the hype is all about. Is it actually fun? Or just overhyped? Let's find out. Alright, so for those who don't know, Roblox isn't just one game. It's like a whole platform full of games. You can play thousands of different games made by other players. Everything from racing, shooting, horror, roleplay, literally anything you can think of. And the crazy part is, you can even create your own games inside Roblox. So yeah, it's not just a game. It's like a whole gaming universe. Okay, enough talking. Let's jump in and try my first game. Alright, I'm already confused. There's so many games here. Let's just pick one and see what happens.